Hi friends, welcome back. Today I'm gonna be making pumpkin soufflé cheesecake. This is the best treat you have been waiting for this season. The light and airy cheesecake texture meets the warm pumpkin flavor with a hint of cinnamon. This is the best cake for adding a Halloween charm to your table. Let's get started. It's a little bit tricky to bake a perfect soufflé cheesecake, but I make it in a simple process. Warm up the butter, make a nice meringue, fold it in, and then bake. So let's start baking. Start preheating the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Cover the bottom of the 6-inch springform pan with aluminum foil to avoid the water coming in. And line with parchment paper. And the paper should be twice as tall as the mold. Combine cream cheese and whole milk in a pot and cook until simmer. Cover and let it sit until cream cheese softens. Meanwhile, cook pumpkin in a microwave until soft and easy to mash. Set aside until used. Separate the egg yolk and egg white. And let's go back to the pot. Whisk until smooth, add sugar, and mix until well combined. Add pumpkin puree and whisk well until well combined. Mix in the egg yolks and stir in cornstarch and vanilla and cinnamon. Pass through a sieve and set aside until the meringue is ready. Start whisking the egg white on low speed, and when it starts forming, add sugar in 2 to 3 stages and continue whisking until stiff peaks form. Fold egg white into cheesecake batter. Gently fold the meringue into the cheesecake batter until well combined. I'm using my whisk to fold in the meringue because it's faster than the spatula. Move your whisk up and down to cut the meringue and gently combine. Be careful not to deflate the egg whites completely and switch to spatula at the last minute of folding to make sure no pocket of meringue is left. And transfer the cake batter to the prepared mold. And stick in the chopstick and move around gently to remove any air bubbles. If the air bubbles are left in the batter, the cake will be cracked on the surface, so be sure to remove air bubbles. Place the cake pan in a baking tray and add hot water to create a water bath. Bake in a preheated oven for about 30 minutes and reduce the temperature to 160 degrees Celsius and bake for 30 minutes. Turn off the heat and allow the cake to cool in the oven for about 1 hour and then remove it from the oven and let it cool completely on a wire rack. Refrigerate the cheesecake for at least a few hours to overnight and let it sit. Once chilled and set, remove the cheesecake from the pan and slice into your desired size and serve. And today I served the cake with spicy masala tea from Mittal Tea of India. To make the delicious masala milk tea, let the tea simmer for a minute, depending on how strong you like your tea. Add milk and continue cooking until it comes to a simmer. The ratio of water and milk is up to your preference, and my favorite is half and half. Strain the masala tea into my pot and serve the masala tea hot and enjoy the aromatic and flavorful blend. Mittal Tea has a variety of high-quality flavored black tea and green tea with a deep aroma, and I just love their blend of spiceful masala tea. Please check the link in the description box below. The spicy tea goes well with warm and sweet pumpkin soufflé cheesecake. I just love the combination of the spicy tea and warm and sweet pumpkin soufflé cheesecake. Enjoy the taste of autumn. Thank you for watching the video. Give me a big thumbs up and share the video with your friends and families. And consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any of my new videos. And follow me on the social media and tag me on your post if you give it a try. And join my happy eating group to share your food with me. And my store on Amazon has pretty much everything that I'm using in my video. And for more information, visit my website princessbamboo.com. And thanks again, and I will see you soon. Bye!